What's up, guys? I got it here. Going Gear $200 mystery box. Let's unbox it and see what it's all about. So the subscription cost is $200. Let's see the value that we're going to get. First of all, we got it here LED glow sticks. Let's turn off the light. Yes, it's much brighter. So it's kind of like a reusable glow stick. It's really cool for the kids and stuff. So it glows really well when it's in dark. So that's about $5 item right here. Really cool toy. But there will be some good stuff for sure. Okay, Worsted. Okay, never heard of that brand. Let's open it up, see what it's all about. What's so cool about the subscription box? You never know what you're going to get. And with this subscription box, usually the value is really good. Not usually, always. Sorry guys, misspoke. Okay, this is carbon fiber. Cool, look at that bottom lock. Wow, this is really smooth. Very nice knife right here, that's for sure. Beautiful carbon fiber handle, is that what it is? Anyways, never heard of that knife brand. We'll look it up, the value. Very smooth. Comes with a nice holder and everything. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, there's a note. Whoa, look at that stick. That's nice. And last package, and we got it here, V-knife. This is nice. Okay, let's open it up, see what kind. Looks like a big one. V-knives go up to like $400. They do make $100 knives, $50 knives, and up. Okay, nice. Okay, this titanium handle, beautiful. Ooh, that's smooth. Gotta kick it better. And same thing, bottom lock over here, very smooth. I love that. V-knife, so high quality tools over here. Let's see what kind of steel that is. Doesn't tell me on this. Usually it says black titanium handle and CPM 20 CV. So this is a very high quality materials. We got it here, 3 knives. Just the V-knife by itself is $215. That's guaranteed. Those knives usually expensive, and most likely if I Google it right now, Blade HQ and Knife Center and so on, it probably be costing even more, but we'll double check. So this is Worsted is $80 knife. I'll take that. And a $12 toy right here. So even if we don't count the toy, this is right here the value of $295 plus taxes. So that's amazing. The value that we get right here for $200, $280. This is why I love Going Gear. It's a surprise, but also a really nice surprise. Ooh, probably better to flip it open. I like it. I did not see that knife have come out yet. Very nice, medium size, but big enough. To me it's like 3.5 fingers, 3-finger knife. Very cool. Check this out, exact the same titanium knife. It was actually MSRP $255. Their price on Blade HQ $216.75, plus it's sold out. So you can't even get it unless you subscribe to one of these. That's really cool. Looks like they're running a Black Friday sale for $191. That's the cheapest. But it used to be $225. Still, the cheapest I can find the deal, plus shipping most likely we'll have to pay. Most likely it's not free shipping. So plus shipping and taxes, we're still going to pay over $200. So this is a nice subscription box. Okay, the Amazon will be free shipping. Let's see, $216. But wow, right now Black Friday sale, $25 coupon. But that's rare, so still at about like $190. Just wanted to show you how good this subscription box. $216. Again, it's not even a black one. I never heard This knife company, Worsted, and they make $200 knives. They make it more affordable knives, $100 knives, and this one is about $80 knife. So this is actually a good brand company. Awesome. Again, I'm gonna subscribe to this. Maybe get more than one subscription box because they are really good deal. Wow.